When talking about framing and choosing the right words to be most effective in communicating, one of the examples that comes up is the decision that was made by somebody way back that in some of the challenges, environmental challenges we face, that global warming would be the two-word sort of title to a major subject raising serious questions and real challenges for the future. The problem in making that decision, global warming, is that those words allowed those who didn't buy into the concern, don't accept all the scientists and what they're bringing forth, or they have some scientific evidence that counters that, or whatever. Global warming allowed opponents to very easily debunk the concerns of a lot of people. Because anytime it was a little colder than the norm, it would allow people to very easily say, well, so much for global warming. It's colder today than the average temperature for this day and wherever you are. And I think it really created a lot of problems, and a lot of people very interested and concerned about this issue in general started to switch to climate change. A little more neutral, doesn't automatically set people off. Climate does change. Some have talked about weather variability, because weather varies. There's maybe even more of a safe set of names to label on this environmental challenge. But the important thing is that the words we choose make a difference. It's not altering what we believe or what we think the solution or the direction should be, but in communicating to people, in order for them to hear and understand, the words we choose have a huge impact. Another example, I think, not as prevalent in terms of papers written and talk about this subject, is sustainability, the word sustainability. And I don't know exactly why, but it has not been as favorably received as one would assume. And some are switching to resilience as a better word. And right now I think the jury's out as to whether it's an improvement, but again, it's an example of how important it is choosing the correct word or words to communicate to your audience, whatever that audience might be.